What's the best selling car here?
Of course, it's our Honda Vezel. The all-new Honda Vezel comes with a new exterior design. Spacious and modern interior layout. More tech and a perfectly weighed powertrain.
Is there anything particularly special about its appearance?
Of course, the design of the new Honda Vezel is futuristic, with a quirky grille and a great new headlight. Speaking of the front lights, daytime running lights also double the turn signals, and also fog lights are also LED.
How about its engine? Is it fuel efficient?
Of course, it is 1.5-litre petrol engine with a horsepower of 117 and 142 Nm of torque. Combined with an advanced eco-drive assist system, it offers the sweet spots between power and efficiency. The official fuel efficiency stands at 17 km per litre, and with the fuel tank of 40 litre, you get nice fuel economy and mileage, even in this city.
I just got my license and I also need to drive my girlfriend leh. Will it be okay?
Of course, the new Honda Vezel also have Honda sensing, equipped with a lot of safety features. This includes ACC, Adaptive Cruise Control, CMBS, Collision Mitigation Braking System, LKAS, Lane Keeping Assist System, TSR, Traffic Sign Recognition, Auto High Beam Headlights, and many more.
Wow, they all sound great. But it feels like buying a car requires a lot of money.
Of course, no need lah. We now got promotion, 0 down payment, 0 drive away. No need to take out any money.
We also provide 10 years loan and 100% loan available, special lowest interest rate 1.88%, extended 10 years free warranty plus free servicing.
Free full car premium accessories, free road tax, free installment, free insurance, loan package from 0 down payment. Weekly installment plan available too. Highest trade-in guaranteed, 1 big guaranteed COE without top-up.
Hey, nothing needed to give just take the car?
Of course lah, I just need a driving license and IC.
Wow, so power What are you waiting for? Come to Royal Motor Grandeur now.
I'm Zen.
I'm Joel.
See you on the next video. Bye!